I always hear that it's so hard to find deals, that there's no deals out there. Are you crazy? I see so many deals every single day, I don't know what to do with myself. Okay, I just wish I had the money to buy everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go over how I find properties to look at in San Francisco, which is one of the toughest places to invest. So you're gonna see how simple it is for me to find places to get in front of my face so I can start the analysis. Hey, what's up? My name is Henry. Welcome to the Wong Mindset. So finding properties to analyze is a good place to start getting a feel for real estate investing. So you want to get some properties in your face to get used to the market in your area. I'm mainly going to show you how I do it in San Francisco. I know every market in the world is different and there's other ways you can look for it. The way I do it is really simple, but I think it's sustainable for the long term. So you can roll over in bed, hit a couple buttons on your phone, and then roll right back over and pass out. So I currently have 2 duplexes in San Francisco from the last 4 years, right? And I'm constantly looking on getting my 3rd one. So what I'm gonna show you is what I regularly do to see what deals are out there. The first thing you need to do is download the Redfin app. I know there's plenty of apps out there, but this is the one I love to use the most. Okay, so load it up and then search for the city that you want. Filter it down by price range, property type. I only go for multifamily properties in San Francisco because that's the only thing that makes sense here. If single family homes work for you, then go for it, okay? By all means necessary. Once you have a list, sort by time on Redfin from low to high to see the newest listings. There's currently about 20 listings that match my criteria. So I'm gonna go through every one of these at least once and then only the new ones after that. So if I see anything interesting, I'm gonna put a heart on it, save it to my favorites. It's really quick and easy. It only takes a couple minutes to analyze and then just move on. Start with the one on top, okay? Check out the price, the beds, bath, square footage. Just keep these things in mind for now. And then under the key details, it's good to know the rough estimated monthly payment. That's the default calculations that Redfin does for mortgage, property tax, insurance. Just keep this in mind for now, but you're gonna wanna know the exact specifics if you're ever gonna start putting in offers. So with all of the listings that come up for you, I know not all of them are gonna make money. This is just how you're gonna start doing your digging, right? To start learning the math, making sure you're confident and comfortable in doing the math. There might be a bunch of properties that make sense. There might be none. It's okay. Deals always come up. You just need to be ready. And every month, I swear, there's stuff that pops up. Okay, you just have to be patient and wait for those deals. So there's plenty of other ways you can go about being more proactive in finding deals. You can drive for dollars, put out flyers, make a bunch of phone calls. But for me, that's not sustainable. I have a full-time job, full-time kids, interests, friends, family, everything. So if you have a day job, the way I'm looking at it through Redfin might be your best bet. I'm in no hurry to buy everything. I can't buy it all. Okay, there's so much real estate out there. I'm just patient and prepared when deals do come up. So I hope this video starts to push you in the right direction to get your next place. Most people will not bother with any of this. They're gonna want their dream home, that nice car, go on that nice trip. So I'm all about those things too, but I want it paid for with rental income. So if you're interested in how to calculate cash flow, you can check out this video right here. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.